Now some practical application of heating effect of electric current. First of all, there are some disadvantages. So first of all, I am writing disadvantages of heating effect because of electric current. In electric motor, we don't want heat energy from electric motor. Still, electric motor can convert electricity to heat energy. Second, electric bulb. Third, that refrigerator, we don't want heat energy, but still it's a behind surface it gets heating up because of electricity, right? Similar, some washing machines, AC, right? So these are, we get unwanted heating energy. Now we want heating energy from electric current. Those devices are here. First, electric iron, electric toaster, electric heater, electric kettle. So these are, we want heating energy from electricity. So these are the devices. Now here, how these devices can convert the most part of that electricity to heat energy, because here we are putting more value of resistances. If more value of resistances, it can resist the current, and to resist that current, that have to convert electricity to heating energy. Here also somehow there will be some resistance, and because of that resistance, this devices can convert electricity to heat energy. Still, we don't want heat energy from this, but due to their resistance, it converts electricity to heating energy. Now we want to discuss about this electric bulb. We know that inside electric bulb we are using tungsten material. Now tungsten is one type of alloy. Why we have to use tungsten material? Because we know that electric bulb gets heated up because of electricity. Now we have to use those filament which have high melting point. Because of high melting point, up to high temperature it can't be melting up, right? That's why we are using tungsten. Still, its resistance is somewhat higher than the conductor, but still it is good to use because of high melting point, because some metals don't have high melting point. If I am using some iron inside the filament of this electric bulb, iron may get melting up in a smaller use, in a very shorter use. So that's why we are using tungsten material. Some alloys are also good to let get that melting capacity. Is for example here electric iron, we must have to use some alloys. They have somewhat higher resistance and also higher melting point. So for these purposes we have to keep both resistance and melting point higher. So that's why we can use these devices for a longer time, right? So we should just focus on the alloys that can have higher resistance and higher melting point for these devices. So these are the practical application of heating effect of electric current.